So sometimes when you're solving right triangles, they don't give you any of the angles except for the right angle, but they give you two sides, and they still, you still need to solve the right triangle in terms of finding all the missing parts. One thing I like to do is list the parts that I need to find. So I also need to find angle A, angle B, angle C, and side C. So what I can do is, I know side A is 450. I know side B is 480. So I could use a trig function for angle B. I could say the sine of B, oh, that won't work because I don't have the hypotenuse. What about cosine of B? Oh, that won't work, I don't have hypotenuse. How about tangent B? Opposite over adjacent. 480 over 450. Now, I know you're thinking, hey, you could use Pythagorean theorem to find that part C. And you could, but then you're depending on a piece of information that you found to find all these other parts. And if you have too many things that you find, you could get more wrong that way. So it's safer to do this. And this is really pretty easy. Basically, you're going to press the second button. Then you're going to press the tangent button, and then you're going to press 480 divided by, what do you think, 450. Let's see what we get. All right, so I'm going to type it in. Tangent, where's my tangent button? Second tangent, 480 divided by 450. And let's round it to one decimal place, so that's 46.8. So theta equals 46.8 degrees. And what angle was that? That was B, so 46.8. Now, I could use the fact that all three triangles add up to 180 to figure that one, but I'm going to do another thing. I'm going to do the tangent of A. Tangent of A equals opposite over adjacent, 450 over 480. Now hopefully you did some subtracting in your head, and you probably know that that should come out to 43.2, but let's see if it comes out when we do this. So how do I figure it out? Same thing I did before. So I'm going to do second tangent, so second tangent for 450 divided by 480, hit enter, and I get 43.15, round it to one decimal place, 43.2 equals 43.2 degrees. Whoa, it's the same thing as if I subtracted, so I guess I probably did the trig part right. So 43.2. What's good is to solve it this way so that you become comfortable using the second button and the trig functions to solve things. But again, arithmetic confirms that that definitely is the correct answer. So I found angle A to be 43.2 degrees. I found angle B to be 46.8 degrees. Angle C, we knew that one, 90 degrees. Oh, we don't have side C. Well, let's use Pythagorean theorem for that. And when we do, we end up getting, I'll give you that one, 730. I figured it out a minute ago. So 730. And you should check Pythagorean theorem to make sure that works. 480 squared plus 450 squared equals x squared, and solve that. Or let's say c squared in this case, c squared. And you can confirm my answer. If I get it wrong, send me